YouTube video on our channel. So today's gonna be a little bit different. We're gonna be doing Christmas DIYs. So if you haven't got a gift and it's just like something small that you want to give to someone but you don't want to spend a lot of money, this is gonna be the perfect thing. And then for those that are new and haven't met me, I am Marissa. The ones that have been in the previous videos, that's my mom, and her name is Myra. And then always don't forget to subscribe, and you can always leave your comments because we're usually updated checking all our comments as well. So the things that we will need to make this simple, cheap, easy DIY, we're going to need clear ornaments. So I did purchase these from the Dollar Tree. Hopefully you guys still find some available at your guys' local Dollar Tree. I did buy this size here, and then I did buy the smaller one. So the smaller one does come 2 in the packet for $1. So that's the little one that I use with the M&Ms. If you don't find any at your Dollar Tree, I know Michael's does have some. These big ones were about $3, and then the little ones, I think they have them for like $1.50 or $2. But you can either find them at the Dollar Tree or Michael's. That's where I did see them. We will also need some decorating shredded paper. So I just got red. You can use green, whichever color you find or whichever color you have laying around. Since I had red, I'm going to just use that one. I also purchased, I have something in me. Okay, so I also purchased some ribbon. I just got 1 packet from the Dollar Tree, and it made me about 5 bows. So I'm not good at making bows. So I already had my grandma make the bows for me. You kind of just make like 2 little ears, loop it around, and then tie it. Kind of seems like that's how she made it, but I just couldn't make it, so she did them for me. And then besides this, I do have some different ribbon, which we're going to use for the little ones because this one was too big and the sizing was too wide. So I have this one here, and then of course we are going to need our candy that we're going to use as our feeler. So I just got regular Kisses, and then these little ones are going to have M&Ms. And then to glue your ribbons, we will need our hot glue gun and then just scissors in case you need to cut your ribbon. And let's get started. So at the end, your little DIY ornaments are going to look something like this. So this is the one that has Kisses. This one's the one that has M&Ms. So keeping these as our samples, we're going to go ahead and get started. So you can just take the tag off. I should have done that before, but I didn't. So we'll take that. That wasn't supposed to fall, but I'll get it later. So you can easily just take it out. I know they do have glass ornaments, but those are very fragile because when you're putting it back, you have to be very careful. So just go ahead and take it out. And then all I did was you're going to get the shredded grass, and you're just going to, I want to say shove it, but just make it fit. Just put as much as you want. The more shredded decorated you put in here, the less candies you need. But if you don't want to be so cheap with your people you're going to give gifts to, put a good amount of candies in there. I want to say for the Kisses, I put about 15 chocolates in there. So let's just put all the grass in here, and then we'll just add our candy. So I say about halfway of your shredded grass inside your ornament. It's a good amount. So once it's like that, you just use a little opening to put it in there. You can fix it if you want. Other than that, you're just going to get your Kiss, and you're going to put it straight in there. It's going to fall directly in there. I found that the easier way is to put the pointy part down so it just easily falls in there. So you're just going to go ahead and put a good amount in there. I want to say like about 15, and then we'll be right back. Oh, so I ended up putting about 20 Kisses in here. So I got a good amount. I honestly didn't buy the bags at like the store. I went to Winkle. I'm not sure if you guys have a Winkle near you guys, but you just buy your candy by bulk. I felt that that was cheaper. So I just did that for the Kisses. So after you already filled it up, or if you guys want to add more, you can add more. If you want to add more of the grass to make it look fuller, you can do that as well. After you do that, you're just going to grab the lid, the little cap that's going to go on it. You're going to squeeze the little metal hoops that they have, and it should go directly inside of it, and then just make it fit. Sometimes you're going to struggle, especially me. I have nails on, but you know, they gotta look nice. So we'll just go ahead and put it there. So once it's closed right there, this is the easiest part. Well, if you know how to make a bow, it will be the easiest. I know they have some bows already made that you can just buy. So if you find bows that are already made and you don't have to make them, all we have to do now is you're just gonna glue your bow here. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue that, and then it's basically done. I did see people that they were probably like writing names behind it with a different Sharpie or a marker or anything you find. You can write the name that to the person that it's going to. You can put the year, so you can put 2018. I don't have any string attached to this, but I'm thinking I'm gonna attach some string and probably hang it in our Christmas tree that's in the back. But that's up to you. Maybe you can hang it on your tree until you give it to the person that you're gonna gift it to. So there's just different ways that you can make it. So let me just glue the bow to it, and then I'll show you guys this little tiny one. So now we're gonna start making our little DIY ornament. So this one's gonna have M&Ms. Like I mentioned, you can always use Skittles as well. Guys, I had a whole bag, like literally, and now this is what's left of it. Apparently, there's someone that was eating my candy. So just go ahead and fill it up with your M&Ms. I wanted them all to go in, but they're all falling. My hands are washed, guys, so you can just go ahead and put them in there. I didn't put any of the shredded paper on these just because the M&Ms are not wrapped, so I didn't want it to get contact with the grass. So I'm just putting them in one by one. So meanwhile, I'm gonna do that. I tried doing my own bow because I forgot to have my grandma do my little mini bows for this one here. So this was my attempt of a bow. It's super ugly, but it's okay. I'm just gonna glue it so I can show you guys how it looks like. Maybe I can bring like 1 minute video next time when she's back so she can show you guys how to make this bow, because I don't know how to make it. I tried. But meanwhile, let's just fill the little ornament, and we will be back with the final result. So I already added my M&Ms on here, and then you're just gonna put the lid just the same way we did it for the other one. So just clip the little metal parts, and then it should go straight in. Other than that, like I mentioned, my bow is a little ugly, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little dot of glue from the hot glue gun, and you're just gonna put it right in the front. So after that is done, this is my ugly bow, but this is the pretty one. So these are your final results. These are gonna be your little ones, and then these are gonna be your big ones. So you can just give them out as gifts. It's not expensive to buy kisses, M&Ms, and then these should be like $1 or $2 or $3 at Michael's. And those are your final results. So if you guys like these easy DIY Christmas clear ornaments, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your comments if you have any questions or concerns on how we made anything or where do we purchase the items. And then as always, guys, don't forget to subscribe. We will be very thankful if you guys actually subscribe to our channel. And we will be back with another video. Bye. Thank you.